Perplexity AI tutorial and review. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to review the Perplexity AI and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to perplexity.ai, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And you will be directed on this page, in which this is what the home page of Perplexity looks like. But before we start exploring this home page, let's start first by knowing Perplexity AI, in which it is a new AI chat tool that acts as an extremely powerful search engine, and it is designed to search the web in real time and offer up-to-date information on various topics. So basically, this also looks like a chatgpt, but it has a slightly differences or advantage to chatgpt. And now that we know the background info about this platform, the next thing that we need to do is to click the sign up button below here, in which from here you can sign up using your Google account, your Apple ID, or even continue using your email address. But in those options, I'm going to choose to continue using my Google account. So kindly select your Google account, and after that, you will be directed in here, in which on this page, you could also customize your username, and after that, just proceed by clicking the continue button on the top panel. And upon clicking on it from here, you will see some of the plans that you could also avail to try their pro account or upgrade account, in which below you will see some of the benefits it offers or included, such as more copilot uses, so you can also have a 300 plus a personal search assistant per day, and you will have an unlimited file upload, and even unlock the best model of AI such as Claude 2 or GPT-4 for all of the questions for over 300 plus questions per day. And of course, you will experience the pro support. And below is the corresponding prices that you need to pay monthly or annually if you want to avail the Pro plan or upgrade account on this platform. Or if you want to skip, just click the skip button on the top right corner. And after that, you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you a video that shows the benefits or the main purpose of this Perplexity AI, in which you will see here how this website or platform is very helpful in academics for educational purposes and also in assisting the individuals about their questions in life. And also, one of the good things about this platform is that it is now available for iPhone or Android phone. Now moving on by clicking the finish button, you will be directed on this page, in which from here on the left side panel, you will see a variety of options that you can navigate, including New Thread, Home, Discover, My Threads, AI Profile, and many more. And now, on the right side panel, you can start asking anything or ask any of your concerns, or alternatively by choosing any of the questions below the suggested question, in which these are some of the frequently asked questions that has been encountered on this platform. But let's say I'm going to explain the importance of plants, and proceed by clicking enter after entering your comments. And from here, you will see the summarizing results, while under the quick search, you will see here some of the sources that has been used to answer your question or your comments. And as you can see here, the result shows an accurate data or ideas about the comment. And also, if you scroll down below here, you will see some of the images or picture that is also related or connected to your comments. And aside from that, if you click of some of the resources or reference, you will be directed on the website, in which from here you will see a background info or some of the additional information that has been used for the Perplexity to answer the comment that has been given. And as you can see, that is also one of the advantage of this platform from ChatGPT as it also shows a sources or reference of its information and also provides an images for better understanding, especially to those who are attentive to learn visually using some of the images or picture. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you will see other kind of related topic or comments that you could also use by kindly clicking on it. You will see the corresponding answer that is also summarized and also contain a sources of this information. And those kind of related comments are very helpful in order to broaden the knowledge or the understanding of an individual about the specific topic that he or she are trying to learn. And also, the results of it, you could also copy, edit query, view the sources, and even delete the entire results. And aside from that, you could also customize the title of these whole search commands by clicking on the top panel that says Untitled. From here, you could enter or customize the title of your preference. And aside from that, on the left side panel, by clicking the new thread, it will show you this one, in which below you have the two options such as to start using a file or focus option, in which by choosing the file option, you will be able to import a file from your computer, and after that, you can simply ask anything about of the files that you just import, or alternatively, by choosing the focus option. Below that, you have the option to search across the entire internet or for only academic, writing, Wolfgram or Alpha, YouTube, or even for Reddit. So let's say I'm going to choose the YouTube and start using this Perplexity. So kind of click on YouTube option below, and the same process, which is to enter your command or ask anything to do here. But let's say I'm going to choose to ask the same question or same command, which is to explain the importance of plants. And upon clicking enter or clicking this button right here, it will show us the summarized results. Well, as you can see, the resources or sources of the information of it is not an article or website, but rather a YouTube video, in which if you kindly click on it, you will be directed to the video and you can start watching the video of it. So basically, some of the information or the results under the summarize are all from the YouTube video that is also can be found on the transcript code. And aside from that, on the left side panel, you could also discover or start navigating the home, discover, my threads, AI profile, and any other option right here. And as you can see under the discover, you will see here a variety of interesting comments or question with its corresponding answer of it. While under the my threads, you will see here the history of your threads of asking for some assistance on this platform. While under the AI profile on the left side panel, from here you could also introduce yourself in order to tell the AI about yourself and get more personalized the results of it. So that is just how you can use Perplexity AI. Thank you.